Oh, Christmas. The only time of the year when men with big white beards get the love that they really deserve. It's a time of joy, and in the middle of all of this stands the Christmas tree. And it just so happens that I have a big empty space here on my desk where I would love to place my own Christmas tree. So I designed not one, not two, but 3 different sized Christmas tree leaves. And I also made 2 versions of each one of them. Quite impressive, right? And it was a lot of 3D printing. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. Look at all of this. It took like 15 hours, and I even managed to break one of them. But it's nothing that hot glue won't fix. And it's actually really easy to assemble. You just place the leaves onto this rod. So let's watch this montage. And it can even spin. How delightful. I also made this little mount, which the Christmas tree can be placed into. Just like this. But it's missing a bit of color, so let's fix that. Much better. It's actually come to life now. And I think it's looking really nice here on my desk. But what if I would have gotten a real Christmas tree? Well, then I would have to have walked through the deep snow and stumbled my way into the deep forests, till I finally could find the perfect pine tree, which would have to be sturdy and good looking. But I didn't do that. So instead I placed this little picture on the wall to remember the tree that I could have gotten. Merry Christmas, everyone. Hope you have a good holiday. See you in the next video. Goodbye.